Greetings from Traveling Kangaroo, your guide to the most fascinating destinations around the globe. Today, we're hopping over to the captivating country of Romania, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Europe. Known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and diverse culture, Romania is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From bustling Bucharest to the mythical Transylvania, from the remnants of the Communist Party to the serene Danube Delta, stick around as we unravel the beauty and charm of Romania. Dive into the heart of Romania with its bustling capital, Bucharest. This vibrant city is a melting pot of history and modernity, where architectural gems nestle within a lively urban scene. The colossal Palace of Parliament, for instance, stands as a testament to the country's communist past. It's not only one of the largest administrative buildings in the world, but it's also a hub of political intrigue and history. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the Old Town, a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, brimming with charming cafes, eclectic shops, and historic churches. Here the past collides with the present, as remnants of medieval Bucharest peek through the lively hum of modern city life. And as the sun sets, the city transforms into a vibrant playground. From jazz clubs to rooftop bars, Bucharest's nightlife is as diverse as it is exciting. With its unique blend of old and new, Bucharest sure knows how to leave a lasting impression. Step into the mysterious realm of Transylvania, the land of Dracula. This enchanting region of Romania is a treasure trove of history, folklore, and natural beauty. Nestled in its heart is Bran Castle, often associated with the infamous Count Dracula. It's a place that seems plucked straight from a Gothic novel, with its towering turrets and dramatic hilltop location. But Transylvania is no mere backdrop for a vampire tale. Its rich past is etched into the very stones of its medieval towns. Take a stroll through the cobblestone streets of Sighisoara or Brasov, and you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time. You'll see fortresses and cathedrals that have stood for centuries, their architecture a testament to the region's diverse cultural heritage. Yet the allure of Transylvania isn't just about the past. It's in the way the old and the new come together, creating an ambiance that's uniquely Transylvanian. Transylvania, a place where myth and history intertwine. A rewind time and delve into the era of the Communist Party in Romania. This was a period that profoundly shaped the country's identity, leaving an indelible mark that's still visible today. From the late 40s until the end of the 80s, Romania was under communist rule. This era saw the rise of architectural wonders like the Palace of the Parliament, a colossal structure that is a testament to the regime's power and grandeur. But it wasn't all about towering edifices. The communist regime also ushered in a period of extreme repression, leading to the revolution of 1989. This uprising was a pivotal moment in Romania's history, a time when the people stood up against tyranny and fought for their freedom. The echoes of this revolution are still felt today in the heartbeats of the Romanian people and the spirit of the nation, a significant chapter in Romania's history that continues to shape its present. Embark on a journey along the majestic Danube River and its stunning delta. This isn't just a river, it's a lifeline that flows through 10 countries, connecting diverse cultures and landscapes. Romania is privileged to host the river's grand finale, the Danube Delta. Here, the river's power unfolds a spectacle of nature, creating the largest and best preserved of Europe's deltas. This living water world, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of water and land, home to a dazzling array of wildlife. From pelicans soaring in the sky to otters playing in the water, the delta is a sanctuary for over 300 bird species and 45 freshwater fish species. The Danube Delta isn't just about the wildlife, though. It's a place where you can lose yourself in a mesmerizing landscape, where reeds rustle in the wind and lilies bloom on the water's surface. The Danube Delta, a haven of biodiversity and natural beauty. Witness the grandeur of the Carpathian Mountains. As we continue our Romanian journey, we find ourselves amidst the majestic Carpathians, a natural fortress that engulfs 2/3 of Romania. These mountains are not just a sight for sore eyes, they are a sanctuary for wildlife, home to the largest population of brown bears in Europe. The Carpathians are a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking, skiing, climbing, the mountains offer a playground for every kind of adventurer. The Carpathian landscapes are a symphony of rolling hills, deep gorges, rushing rivers, and serene lakes, each playing their part in this natural orchestra. The mountains also hold a rich cultural significance. They are the heart of Romanian folklore and tradition, with tales of mythical creatures and ancient gods echoing through the valleys. The Carpathians are not just mountains, they are a testament to the enduring beauty and strength of nature. So come, explore and immerse yourself in the wild, untouched beauty of these mountains. The Carpathians, where nature's artistry is at its best. Discover the spiritual charm of the painted monasteries of Bucovina. Nestled in the rolling hills of northern Romania, these monasteries are not just places of worship, but also grand canvases of vibrant frescoes. Dating back to the 15th and 16th centuries, each monastery is a unique gallery of Byzantine art. The frescoes, painted on the exterior walls, depict biblical stories and saints in vivid hues, a visual testament to the Orthodox faith. These picturesque illustrations served as a means to educate those unable to read or write, echoing the stories of the Bible in a language everyone could understand. The monasteries of Bucovina are not merely historical monuments, they are living, breathing entities. Monks and nuns still reside within their walls, maintaining the age-old traditions and rituals, keeping the spiritual essence of these places alive. These monasteries are more than just buildings. They are storybooks etched in stone, a window into Romania's past and a beacon of its enduring faith. Bucovina Monasteries, a testament to Romania's rich cultural heritage. Unearth Romania's architectural gems, its castles and salt mines. Steeped in history and shrouded in mystery, Romania's castles are a testament to a bygone era of power and prestige. Take, for instance, Palace Castle, a neo-Renaissance masterpiece nestled in the Carpathian Mountains, once home to the royal family, and now a museum showcasing their opulent lifestyle. Then there's the imposing Corvin Castle, a Gothic Renaissance structure that's said to be haunted. Its tall towers and dark dungeons are enough to send a chill down your spine, even on the sunniest of days. But Romania's subterranean wonders are equally captivating. The Turda salt mine, for instance, is a marvel to behold. A cathedral-like space carved out of salt, it's now a popular tourist attraction featuring a bowling alley, an underground lake, and even a Ferris wheel. So, whether it's above ground or below, Romania is a land of architectural wonders. Romania, a land where every stone tells a story. Savor the flavors of Romania with its traditional cuisine. A rich tapestry of tastes and textures, Romanian food is a vibrant blend of numerous influences, from Balkan, Greek, Turkish, to Slavic. It's a cuisine that tells a story of the country's history and culture, each dish a chapter in its own right. Let's start with sarmale, a hearty dish of minced meat wrapped in cabbage or vine leaves. It's a staple at Romanian holiday feasts and a true comfort food. Then there's mamaliga, a type of polenta served as a side dish or main course, often paired with cheese, sour cream, or meat. For the sweet tooth, papanasi is a must-try. These cheese donuts, often served with sour cream and jam, are a delightful end to any meal. And to wash it all down, there's tuica, a potent plum brandy that's a traditional Romanian drink. Romanian cuisine, a feast for the senses. Feel the breeze of the Black Sea. This vast expanse of water, stretching over more than 163,000 square miles, is a significant feature of Romania's geography. It's not only a vital route for trade and transport, but also a source of life and livelihood for the people living along its coast. Now imagine basking in the sun on golden sands as the lapping waves whisper stories of ancient civilizations. The Black Sea's beaches are nothing short of spectacular, providing the perfect backdrop for a relaxing getaway or an adventurous exploration. Among the many resorts dotting the coastline, Mamaia and Vamavece stand out for their unique charm. Mamaia, known for its lively nightlife and luxury hotels, is a favorite among those seeking a bit of glamour. On the other hand, Vamavece, with its bohemian vibe, attracts those in search of tranquility and authenticity. The Black Sea, where the sun, sand, and sea come together in harmony. And that's a glimpse into the world of Romania, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. We've traversed bustling Bucharest, delved into the mysteries of Transylvania and Dracula, retraced steps of the Communist Party, and sailed the Danube River. We've scaled the Carpathian Mountains, admired the painted monasteries of Bucovina, explored castles and salt mines, savored traditional food, and basked in the Black Sea's allure. Thank you for journeying with Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe and visit travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time.